Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In previous video, I have explained RAM, heap, stack, memory leaks and garbage collector. In this video, I will explain causes of memory leaks, how we can avoid memory leaks and tool to identify them. So let's discuss about causes of memory leaks. The very first one is static references. Excessive use of static members can sometimes lead memory leaks. When your application loads a class into the JVM, its static members are allocated to the memory. They will remain in the memory until the class becomes eligible for the garbage collection. The next one is threaded code. Android uses threads to process multiple tasks that execute concurrently. Threads don't have their own execution environment, so they inherit the execution environment from the parent task. Therefore, threads can easily communicate and exchange data with one another within bounds of a single process. The next one is handler. The handler is a Java background thread. It keeps running in the background and executes different tasks sequentially until the application quits the thread execution. Handler is mainly used to communicate with application UI and update different components based on the execution thread. Because handlers are threads and executes multiple times, there is a possibility of a memory leak. There are many other instances where memory leaks can take place, like unregistered listeners, unregistered receivers, observables, disposables, fragments, bitmap objects, non-static and anonymous inner classes, async tasks, and location managers. Now we know what can cause memory leaks in our application. Let's discuss how we can avoid memory leaks. One should not use static views while developing applications, as static views never destroyed. And one should never use the context as static, because that context will be available through the lifetime of the application and will not be restricted to any particular activity. If you are using any kind of listener in your application, then you should not forget to unregister the listener. If you are using broadcast receiver in your application, then you should unregister it. By keeping these points in mind, you can avoid memory leaks in your application. Now I will discuss some tools to detect memory leaks. The most common tool is Leak Canary. Leak Canary is a memory detection library. It is developed by SquareCup company. This library has a unique ability to decrease memory leak and help developers to get less memory out of error. Leak Canary even helps us to notify where the leak is actually happening. To use Leak Canary, you have to install its dependency in build Gradle file. Once the Leak Canary is installed, it automatically detects and reports memory leaks in 4 steps. The very first one is detecting retained objects, then dumping the heap, then analyzing the heap and categorizing leaks. The second one is Android Profiler. It is basically a tool that helps to keep track of memory usage of every application in Android. It replaced Android Monitor in the Android version 3.0 and higher. The Android Profiler is compatible with Android 5.0, API level 21 and higher. Android Profiler detects the performance of the application in real time on the parameters like battery, memory, CPU usage, and network rate. I hope this video will clear all your doubts about memory leaks, how we can avoid them, what tools we can use to identify memory leaks. For more videos, Kindly subscribe my channel.